Yo, what's up YouTube world? And I'm coming at you with another video review. This time, I'm gonna beast up the review with Beast Hunter's Ratchet. Oops, knocked over the camera. Now this Ratchet is basically a remold of the Prid version of Ratchet. It's a much cooler version. It's a little bit better. But I feel that it might need some more sticker labels, like right in this section, right over here, his chest. Needs some sticker labels. Get on it, sticker labels. You need to make this thing better. And nice detailing, beastie look of Ratchet, and Ratchet's face. It kind of reminds me of Dinobot. You know Dinobot from Beast Wars. He has that one eye, like right there, and that his is regular. Yeah, it kind of looks just like that. Ratchet's arms go 360 degrees. Bend at the elbow. It also have the joint right up there, and you also have double jointed knees, and you have ball joints right there. And anything else? Nope, nothing else. Let's see, does it have the waist articulation? Yep, waist articulation, but not all the way. A little bit. And his head, it kind of goes, well, it doesn't go 360 degrees. It goes like kind of left and right 180, kind of. So be careful with that. And his head is spring loaded, so. And there's his Beast Hunter weapon right on his arm. You can really put this thing anywhere on Ratchet. His gimmick is like, it's a drill. It spins, and open this up. It has a machine gun inside, and that spins. You press the little orange button right over here where my thumb is. Right there. So that's his weapon. And I almost forgot to mention in the last video with Shockwave is the size comparison with him and Optimus Prime. So here's Shockwave. And there's Optimus right here. And I gotta admit, they really did a correct size scale in Optimus and Shockwave. Yeah, Shockwave is supposed to be a little bit bigger than Optimus. This is a good scale between them two. Anyways, enough with that. And if I left out some details about Shockwave, sorry about that. I just didn't have any time. I'm trying to keep the time as low as I can. The correct time. So here's Ratchet. Give it a 360 look. And finally they give Autobot symbols on these things. On some of them. They gave one on Ratchet. Anyways, let's get started on transforming him. Head down. Fold this up. Then fold that up right there. Take that out. Fold the hands in. Fold these in. there's a peg right over here, right there where my thumb is. That's right there. That'll peg into a hole. And then you want to do the same with the other arm. And then as for the legs, fold the feet together. And then I'm gonna do all that, push everything together right inside there. Let's see. Hold on. It's gotta take some time. Well, there it is. And then you want to fold that in and then do the same. Really simple. Just trying to be careful not to break this thing. Then you want to peg all this together. Oh, this gotta be tucked under science. And there you have it, a nice beastie mode ambulance of Ratchet. Has a little heart rate going right there. A lot of great detailing and colors. Very nice. I'm very glad of what they did, of what Hasbro did with the ambulance. This is a good vehicle mode of Ratchet. As for his little drill bit thingy, I prefer it to peg it into the sides. If you want, you can peg it on top of Ratchet. But I just prefer it like that, because that is what I think how Ratchet should do it. And then peg it in right up there if you want. That's what the photos look like. That's how they show Ratchet in vehicle mode. Oh, and this review is brought to you by Eric's Custom Made Pudding. If you want to know how to make this is actually a good pudding that I made. Tastes like cake mix. So I'll put how to make this in the description below. I know it looks gloppy and nasty, but it actually tastes better than it looks. Alright. And then this is a quick look at the packaging. Transformers Prime Beast Hunters, and you already know what the front looks like. Spinning Dragon Shredder Drill. The Dragon Shredder Drill. And so, then you got the Team Prime from Season 2 and 1. Ratchet. Then, come on camera. Ah, much better. And then you may pause if you want to read all that. Alright, that's enough. Transformers Prime and all that stuff. TVY, you're concerned about what is it rated for your kids. Anyways, there is Ratchet. So Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share to Facebook, catch an episode of Transformers War on Earth and reviews like this, and watch out for G.I. Joe, Armed Forces, and that channel, the Faithway channel that I was talking about, and all that other good stuff. And if you do try that pudding, tell me in the comments of what you think of how it tasted. And peace.